ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Kamon ban long slur, ringkat bat kaman ba Shongkhia. Ka Shong ha ka Jinglong scam, bat jingjit bastard jongi. Ka Tata Harrier, ka Kali ka ban san ya ka linti ya jongpi, ka la ban long ka jongpi minta. Book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors, lat korngi, leni phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar, not hinyo khandai hinyo lai.
Ketenat PWD jong Sorkar jelah ka khatwei trik uno pra araja arphulai kla lumlang da kajingalang ba ketenat PWD Central Division Bypass Division ba ke National Highway Division banyatheria taisani kumno banwat ekilat klenti ban Shna ki Surok ba Thymmai khnam ban wengi gajing Dheng kali ba jor hanong ba Shillong bat kumjuru ban Shna ki Surok ki ba he ki ba kulot ha New Shillong Township. Hakijikran ba kilat pathai khubor usumbut menteri rangba uba pe ya ketenat PWD uba Preston Tensong ulayat hu ba hakani kejingalang la donru ki officer na ketenat forest ba na ketenat finance ringkat ba ke deputy commissioner.
Relating to the Shillong city as well as New Shillong town, where we planning to have better connectivity to avoid the congestion, be it with Central Division, be it with Bypass Division, and also the National Highway Division. So all these three divisions I call a meeting along with Revenue, with Forest. We discuss about these issues along with the Deputy Commissioner, where we were trying to find out the alignment, how to make maximum approaches so that the, as I said to you, the congestion is reduced to zero level. We have proposed few stretches of full lane, and also we are trying to make sure that we get maximum approach connection towards the national highway, be it Shillong bypass or be it this Shillong Jawai national highway. We will create maximum connectivity, connecting points in and around the Shillong city, New Shillong city. The process is almost completed. Then the advertisement will be out very soon. If not this year, at least early next year, we will come out with the advertisement.